when I was a kid growing up, man, my mom could not get asparagus past my nose. It was just awful. Here we go. We got some asparagus here, and of course we got some bacon. Very, very simple, but oh so delicious. Have you ever had a hard time with your kids, or even with you growing up, eating asparagus or any other kind of vegetable? Well, in today's video, I'm going to make a bacon wrapped asparagus, put it on the smoker, and it's going to be the best you ever had. I hope you enjoy. Alrighty, well, here we go. We got some asparagus here, and of course we got some bacon. Very, very simple, but oh so delicious. Now, this should be fairly simple to do. Take a slice of bacon, just like that. I call it a bacon asparagus stick. These are so good. I mean, like when I was a kid growing up, man, my mom could not get asparagus past my nose. It was just awful. And wasn't until I got a little bit older that I developed a taste for asparagus. I really liked it. But I was over a friend's house one day, and he made these asparagus sticks. Well, actually, his wife made them. And oh my God, it was the best thing in the world. Bacon and asparagus. Now, I never had it like that. And I tell you what, anytime I want asparagus, that's how I want asparagus. It's fun to do, and your kids will definitely eat it because they don't even know what they're eating because the asparagus is wrapped up in the bacon. They think they're just eating bacon. They never know that it's asparagus in there. They'll never know it's a vegetable. So try it out one time with your kids and see if they know that they're eating asparagus. That's my challenge to you. I challenge you to test your kids to see if they will actually eat asparagus if they don't know that they are eating asparagus. All right, let's get these wrapped up and then we'll get them on our smoker. Now today, I'm using my Pit Boss smoker. I have my competition blend pellets. I have my smoker set at 350 degrees. And this is all we're going to do to them. Bacon, smoke them, done. That's it. No other seasonings. So just to recap, I have my smoker set for 350 degrees. I have the competition blend pellets. I put a rack on top of here so the asparagus can cook evenly and also won't fall through the grates, right? Oh yeah. What do you think, guys? They are looking absolutely fantastic. All right, it's been 15 minutes and everything's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these around. I'll come back 15 minutes, see how we're doing. Guys, I hope you try this recipe at home. If you do, please leave a comment down below. Let me know how it made out. Let me know how you made out. My English is terrible today. Oh, guys, you're not going to believe how good these look. You ready? Oh, oh yeah. All right, give these one more flip. That thing get a little crispy. We'll take them out. We'll have a taste test. But they look absolutely phenomenal right now. Back in a minute. Bacon wrapped asparagus sticks. All right, guys, let's get these off of here. You know, what would be nice with this is if you don't have a smoker and you just want one of those midnight snacks, you can wrap these up and put them in your oven, set them for 350 degrees in your oven, and do it the same way. But these are scorching hot right now. I am not going to try to bite one, but we're going to let this cool for a minute, and then we'll have a taste test. It's taste test time, but do me a favor. If you like the video, check out this video up here. This is where I made my smoked maple syrup cheeseburgers. I'm telling you, it is phenomenal. Check out that video. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. There we go, guys. Bacon wrapped asparagus sticks. Oh, oh yeah. Mm, so good. Got a little bit of crunch from the bacon. Oh, that asparagus, tender, but it's not all wilty. Really, really good. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy. Till next time, God bless and happy eats.